Vanakam, Vantanam, Namaskar, Namasturi. Welcome to the very first episode of Geni Drive, your daily auto dose. I'm Jinko, your friendly guide to all things cars and bikes. If it's got wheels, an engine, and a story, you bet we're gonna talk about it here. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why another podcast, and why about automobiles? Arre yeah, because who doesn't love a good chat about the things that drive us, literally and metaphorically? This show is here to make your day better, whether you're stuck in a Bangalore traffic jam or just chilling with a cup of chai in Delhi. So here's how this works. Every weekday, we'll bring you a 20 to 25-minute dose of everything you need to know about the auto world, from the hottest new car and bike launches to the biggest headlines. Think Tesla, EVs, hybrids, you name it. And for all my Indian drivers out there, we're not just throwing around global trends. Nope. This show is tailor-made for your roads, your lifestyle, and of course, your budget. We'll also wrap up each episode with one simple, practical tip to keep your ride in top-notch condition. Think of it as a daily genius hack. From prepping your car for the monsoon to getting the best mileage out of your bike. Easy peasy, no mechanic degree needed. Now, for today, I just wanted to take a few minutes to introduce what this show is all about and a little bit about me. I've been obsessed with cars and bikes for as long as I can remember. Whether it's that feeling of freedom you get from a long highway ride or the excitement of seeing what's new at the Auto Expo, automobiles have always been more than just machines to me. They're a way of life. And I know I'm not alone in that. If you've ever argued with your friends about which bike is better for Ladakh, or if you're secretly saving up for your dream car while driving your trusty hatchback, this podcast is for you. So hit that subscribe button and make sure you're tuned in. Let Genie Drive make your day a little more fun, a little more informed, and a lot more awesome. Alright, that's it for this intro ride. I'll see you tomorrow for episode 1, where we'll dive into the new age of cars and bikes. What's trending, what's exciting, and what you absolutely need to know. Till then, stay safe, buckle up, and always remember, your drive should be as smart as you are. Bye for now.